Good morning, I'm E4 and today I would like to share some of my thoughts on Khadi, pride of place in economy. India would probably be the only country in the history of world where a cloth was used as a tool in freedom struggle. As you all know, that India was under British rule for a long period of time and Britishers forced India to give preferential treatment to foreign goods over indigenous goods. Do you understand what indigenous means? Indigenous means Swadeshi. And by the arrival of foreign goods, the rate of selling of Indian goods like khadi was started declining day by day. And after our independence, it took so much of time to stable our economy. But if now khadi industry is well promoted, it can generate a subsistence level of income for those people who lives in villages and run their household. It can also generate a subsistence level for unemployed people who lives in cities, and it can reduce poverty, and it can also improve the standard of living of people who live in local economies. Gradually, while ignoring this valuable Indian fabric, we forgotten it. But now it is the time to bring it back into the use and not to limit it only in our country. It is the time to create our own identity. Khadi can play a very big role in the lives of farmers who lives in villages. As in earlier times, village women used to make it and run their household. Similarly, by using khadi again, we can generate employment for those people who lives in villages, cities and all over the world. While I am searching for khadi, I found a story and I want to share it with you. Once a minister in Lok Sabha asked government that approximately how much khadi is sold in a per year. When a member replied, one of the member replied 1%. And he also said even by selling just 1% of khadi, 15 lakh people get work. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to tell you? Just by selling 1%, 15 lakh of people get work. So if at least 50 to 60% of khadi is sold, then how many people can get work? In the end, I would like to say that the people who are crying these days, there is no job, can easily be solved. In the end, I would like to say that it is important to promote khadi, but it is even more important to create an environment where the weaving of khadi is not a compulsion. It would be matter of pride and respect for those people who weave it. Thank you.